guide in the book and we'll start drawing the picture. Okay, so again.
Okay, sir.
So now I'm just going to start the guide in the same. We need to use the same guide in our book. Okay, then we will start drawing each and every features, eye, nose, mouth. Okay, so please, anyone completed the guide in the notebook? Please share.
Yes, sir, I've completed it.
Not yet completed. Okay, no issues. So I'm just going to start. So please start with me. This is an A4 book. Keep it in a vertical way. This is vertical and this is horizontal. By land, this is like horizontal is a landscape mode and this is a portrait mode. Vertical is a portrait. So now we are going to draw a portrait. So I'm just fixing as a portrait mode. Okay. So keep like this and just draw along with me. The same guide we are going to apply here. Then we are going to start drawing. Okay, step by step. So first, we are going to take this image. Already I told you this is 7 inches. From here I have taken. After taking the color window, the edge, because this is more closer here. So we need to cover this part first. So from here to here 7 inches we are noting. Okay. So what to do? First we need to put 0.5 inches. Note that 0.5 inches to get a border. Okay. Then draw a line. Step by step we will do it. Okay. So I just taken a 0.5 inches as a border, one line. Then from here, I need to know whether it's a 10 point because it's a 10 inches portrait. This is 10 inches. You see here, from here, it's a 10 inches. I'm just calculating the 10 inches. Okay. 10. So from here, top here, 10 inches. So we need to make sure this comes till here. Okay. So I'm just teaching how to put a grid. If you know how to put the grid now, you can just take the order work and also do it. Okay. So you'll be getting small income. But first you need to understand how to put the grid. There are two types of grid. Many types of grids are there. Mostly they will be using box type and this is cross type. In this cross type, mostly everything will perfectly aligned. Okay. So we are using this cross type. And from here, we are going to put 7 inches. Okay. This is 10 inch, 7 inch. I don't clear, right? 10 inch. First, we are taking 0.5 inches from here to just take a border. Then 7 inches. Then from here, we are putting 7 inches. And joining this line. So you'll be getting a. So here it's coming. Make sure the alignment comes perfectly. Okay. Otherwise, no, small change will be in the character. So it should be perfect. So the next step I'm just telling you. From this corner to this corner, we need to draw. So they can say note it, please, and just do it. So from here to here. So first we are just putting one cross. Okay. It should be perfect, no? Make sure it comes in a perfect manner. Okay. Exact door. No need to draw more pressurely, okay? Because we will remove this line. Make sure the line have no darkness. Just to understand for our end only. That's it. It should not be more darker. Okay. Because we need to erase this. This border, no issues. If it is dark, also no issues. But this liner, make it very light. Don't use more pressure to draw this, because anyway after complete this drawing, we will just erase this line, all the boxes. Okay. So after drawing this cross, the opposite cross we need to complete from here to that. So I'm just putting little dark because you need to see in this camera. So I'm just using no issues. While you are drawing, make sure it's come very light. Then only while erasing it, you can remove that line. Otherwise, no, your art will be disturbed. Got it? So this 2 line is over. So till this you need to share first. First put one box, 7 inches, 10 inches. Then from left top to right bottom, 1 line, exactly it should connect on the top. Exactly. Okay. Make sure it's connect exactly. Otherwise, our character will be, the character will change. Okay, guys. Okay, this is done. So what we done? Just put a cross. Put one box, then put one cross. Over. Then you are going to draw a middle line, center line. So you need to know where you need to draw that line. So from here it's 10. So 5 will be the midpoint for this. Just note it down. So this guide will be, initially I will be teaching with the guide. Okay. After one drawing over, after completing one portrait, we will remove the guide 1, 2, 3. Then finally, you will not use a grid to draw a portrait. You will be directly drawing the portrait. But this is starting stage. So I'm just planning to complete 12 which are okay. Now only Nabe is drawing. Okay. Morning, Nabe. What happened? Good morning. I'm just teaching how to put the grid in the note, the same grid. Okay. So initially, what I thought, you just need to keep this in your hand and take your notebook, keep it in a portrait view. Okay. This is landscape. This is portrait. Portrait means it should be in a vertical. Okay. Landscape means it's in a horizontal. Mostly the landscape we will draw for a landscape thing. So we will be saying as a landscape. So after keeping this as a portrait view, you need to take one dot to get a frame, 0.5 inches. Put one dot here, the same here, then connect one line. This is for Nabe. I'm just telling for Nabe because Nabe missed the class for 10 minutes. Oh, and we completed. Good, and me, perfect. Till here you completed. Okay. We need to put more grid. I will teach you once again. I will complete this set. So the same way you need to complete this. So got it? Yeah. So first you need to put one 10 inches. First 0.5 inches you need to leave. That's a frame to get the frame size. Okay. From here 10 inches. From here 7 inches. Same 10, 7. So it should be perfect, a rectangular box. And then start from here to here. Put one cross, exactly meet the dot. And from here to here. So you just put one cross. Putting one box. After that, putting one cross. Okay. That's the first step. Second step, you are dividing this line. From here 10 inches. So we need to take 0.5 inches as the midpoint, and from here we are connecting. So this dot and this everything should be connected perfectly. You see here, I just moved little up. So I'm also need to do it perfectly. If it is moved little bit now, entirely the position will be missed out. Don't need to put dark lines. Make sure it should be very light. No need to give more pressure on the pencil. If you give the pressure, then it will be very difficult for you to erase after completing the. Okay, so this is over. Then from here, so you need to measure here also. This is 7, so 3.5 you need to take. The same on the top. Others, make sure do it little fast to complete this. Putting midline, you will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, and in each box you need to put the cross line. After completing this, what we are going to do, we are connecting these 2 dots. Here there is a dot cross connecting line is there. Now from there we are just putting a straight line. Okay, then we are connecting this. It look like a diamond. Wherever it's joining, from there we are putting the line. So today class is mostly how to put the grid to draw any picture, any portrait. Okay, till here it's over. Then also we can put more detailed. Okay, initially we will go with the more grid. Then we will be reducing grid lines. Okay, so if you see here, till here it's over. So initially we will start the grid, then we will remove the grid and we'll start drawing. Okay. First 2 picture with the full grid, and second picture will reduce one grid, and we finally we'll be going to draw around 12 portraits. If you understand how to use grid, then you can also draw any portrait. And to understand the grid, after understanding the grid, you can directly draw the portrait. So what I done after putting that, I'm just putting crosses in each boxes. So it comes like this. More closer grid we are doing. So it's look like this. Done this, but I just want to make sure there is small grid. The grid should be little smaller. Okay. 1. So it'd be more easy to judge where the nose comes, eyes, everything. So this same concept you can use for order work also. Yeah. So Surya Gayatri, Nivedita, and Avni. Just put one line in between here. So where should I start? I think here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. One more point I will tell you. We will put here one grid to understand the node and lips like this. Here we will put one grid. Okay, as a straight line. Okay, I'll put here the same we need to implement there also. So this while starting only we are putting this much of grid. Okay. After few picture we will remove one grid and we will be drawing directly. So I am added one more grid here to just connecting the mid of the face. It's not perfect midline, but it's a straight line. So it will be more easy to compare from where the nose, lips are. If you see here, here we have 40% of lips, here 60%. It's not 50-50. So to identify this, we are just putting a middle line here. The same thing we need to apply here also. So here, I think here, right? So here, I'm just going to draw a that's it. So we got the middle line. So here we are going to draw the eye. So everyone done this grid now, then just put one line here to make sure the nose and eyes to connect. Okay. So here we are going to draw the eye. So start the left eyes first. Okay, guys. So just keep the measurement how empty space we need to leave here, how the space. So if you see here, this area and this area is empty. Inside this only the eyes, and here also if you see here. So this is the eye area. You just put roughly a box type. So then it will be more easy to find out the eye area. Okay. So from here we are just going here, then just here. So I have like three line, 1, 2, 3, top eye, top part of the eye. I have three, and if you see here, it's coming like this and going like this. And if you see this, in this edge, it's going like this. We are just copying the same grid based on this measure. And it like this. And we are just drawing the, you need to understand this. Whenever you are going to draw an eye, the eyeball will not see 100% circle. Okay, it should not be 100% circle. The top 10% will not visible, bottom 2 to 3% will not visible. You see, we can't see the full circle here. So small thing we need to keep in mind. Okay, so I'm just here I'm putting. So if you see this, actually here the center line is coming. Here's the back ball and side it. dark area. Then this part will come like this. So always when we draw the girl's eyes, they have the lash. They have a beautiful eyes. Okay. So it should be more, we need to show it's a more beautiful thing. So the eyelash need to be completed up. So no need to do the shading now. Just we are just understanding how it's coming. Okay. So completing this eye with chamois. Just add the eyelash also. See here, this is the midline. Here is one eyelash. Here also one lash. And if you see here, we are just step by step I will be teaching you. Okay, you need to follow me. And here there is a small line. And here it would be like this. Inside this box, this eyes comes. Only to understand this highlight, I'm just shading this dark area. That's it. So we're done with one eye. No need to do the shading now. Just we'll draw. Shading detail will be, I will be teaching later. Okay. 5 point is the pass mark of this portrait. Okay. Okay, guys. So today class over. So today we learned how to put the grid. Okay, then how to start the drawing. So from here you can easily complete this picture perfectly. Okay. No need to do the shading. Shading I will be teaching you. Okay. Okay, and Vikyat, Nabe need to share the grid along with this. Vikyat, Karthikeyan need to share. And Surya Gayatri need to take the printout. Two printout I am asking, one color, one black and white. Why we are taking black and white? Black and white, based on the tonal value, we will be applying in this main book. Okay, looking at the black and white only, we are going to apply the dark light. Here we can't find out the depth. Okay. So in color, we can't find out because we are doing the pencil shading. Okay. Everyone set? Okay. Okay, guys. Today's class over. So by next weekend, there will be no class, but you can, whoever completed the work can share in the group. So everyone will get an inspiration from that and they will also complete. Before the next class shading, I need to complete this picture from your end. Whatever the mistake, if you've done, no issues, send me in the WhatsApp. I'll be sharing the correction in that and you can improve that. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. And I'll be sharing the materials what's required for the shading also. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye. Surya Gayatri, Nabe, Vikya, Karthikeyan. Bye. Be ready, Nabe. Okay, you need to complete this. Use this grid. This is a different grid. Most of the artists will use this grid. But in the Google and other thing, mostly they'll be teaching the normal grid what you are measured. This grid will make the artwork come 100% perfect. Okay, Nabe. Okay, guys. Happy Sunday. Enjoy. Whenever you get time, you need to complete this before next weekend. Bye. Bye. See you.